We're covering critical electricity and magnetism concepts for the AFOQT physical science subtest. First is Ohm's law, which states that voltage equals current times resistance, or V equals IR. On the exam, you'll be given two of these values and must solve for the third. For example, if a circuit has a 12-volt source and a 3-ohm resistor, you find the current by rearranging the formula to I equals V divided by R. That's 12 volts divided by 3 ohms, which gives you 4 amps of current. Next, you must distinguish between series and parallel circuits. In a series circuit, there is only one path for the current, so the current is the same through each component. The total resistance is simply the sum of all individual resistors. If you have a 2-ohm and a 4-ohm resistor in series, the total resistance is 6 ohms. Parallel circuits are a common trap. Here, the voltage across each branch is the same. The total resistance formula is 1 over R total equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, and so on. A key exam point is that the total resistance in a parallel circuit is always less than the smallest individual resistor. A common mistake is to calculate the sum of the reciprocals and forget to take the final reciprocal to find the actual total resistance. The AFOQT also tests your knowledge of electrical power. The primary formula is power equals current times voltage, or P equals IV. You must also know the derived formulas, P equals I squared R and P equals V squared over R. These are essential when the problem doesn't give you both current and voltage directly. For magnetism, remember that opposite poles attract and like poles repel. The exam will test this with simple diagrams. When current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field. To determine the field's direction, use the right-hand rule. Point your right thumb in the direction of the current, and your fingers will curl in the direction of the magnetic field lines around the wire. A helpful mnemonic for circuits is: series is simple sum, parallel is peculiar parts. This reminds you that for series circuits, you just add the resistances, but for parallel circuits, you must use the more peculiar reciprocal formula. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.